Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover mail settings and how to set up an SMTP Mail Server in your Titan account. To access this page, go to formtitan.com, log in, click on the Settings tab, and click on the Mail Settings sub-tab. You will only need to make changes on this tab if you do not wish to use either Titan or Salesforce to send your emails. If you want to set up your own SMTP Mail Server, this is where you would do so. You would first come to this tab, click Enable to enable this feature. If you are using Microsoft 365 as your server, enable that, and you will see that the simple settings go away. This is because Microsoft no longer supports simple authentication. You must authenticate using single sign-on. You would do that here, enter your Microsoft information, and follow the prompts. To set up a mail service other than Microsoft 365, fill in the information here, fill in your host, your port number, username and password, and a default email address to be used as the from. Select this option to establish a secure connection, and you can also select Use FormTitan Mail Server as fallback in case the service fails for some reason. Once you have this set up and saved, you can send a test email using this box here, like so. Put in a subject, put in a body, send your test email. And that's how it's done.